Oh no! Our house is flooded.
Not to worry. We have home insurance. They'll get this sorted in no time. We've come back from our holiday and found our house flooded. A hot water cylinder is leaking and won't stop. The ceiling and flooring is ruined. Okay, sir. We'll have an engineer with you shortly. He will, however, need to see service documents before a repair can be made. What do you mean, service documents? The house is only just over a year old. Unfortunately, sir, all boilers and unvented cylinders need annual servicing or home insurance is invalidated. Here at NM Services, we can take care of all your servicing needs. We can even service your boiler and cylinder in a 2-hour appointment made at a time to suit you. Our friendly expert engineers will leave you with the peace of mind that your appliances are safe to use.